What exactly is Moodle? Now, Moodle is a fully fledged learning management system meant for either online or blended learning. Now, a lot of people wonder what exactly is a learning management system and what does it do? Now, you can think of Moodle as your digital classroom. It's a place where you can upload your content and make all of your content available to learners. And you can also do assessments, and you can also encourage collaboration and collaborative learning. So there'll be collaboration between learners and between yourself and your learners. So Moodle is a system that's actually based or built to handle all of that. Moodle has been around for quite a few years, I think at least 15 years, and it is to date the most widely used learning management system in the world. If I'm not mistaken, there's about 100,000 installations and about 150 million students that are currently supported by Moodle. So you can see that Moodle, both in terms of its age and maturity, as well as in terms of the vast number of institutes and students that are using it, is really way ahead of the pack when it comes to learning management systems. Now, what's great about Moodle? There's actually quite a few things that are great about it. Number one, it supports multimedia content and delivery in-house. That means you don't need any third-party system or plugin to upload any type of content that you want. It's all supported natively inside Moodle. It's also built for active and collaborative learning. For those of you that understand the whole concept, if you've done any reading about active learning and collaborative learning, then Moodle is the ideal tool for you. It just makes your life that much easier. I mean, it's something that we experience with IT Varsity all the time. Moodle is our learning management system of choice, and it really makes our lives much easier. Moodle is also it provides a range of assessment tools, remarkable assessment tools, everything from multiple choice questions to drag and drop to single answer questions to essays, file uploads, and it's amazing what Moodle is capable of in terms of self-marking those assessments. And then with assessments, it almost naturally leads to learner monitoring and reporting. I mean, there are very few systems around the world that can give you the level of learner monitoring and statistics that Moodle can. I mean, you can get such granular information as when a learner logged in, how long was the learner online, which activities they did, and so forth, everything from there upwards. And then when it comes to assessments, your grade books, your reports, your learner reports, Moodle is phenomenal in how it handles all of that. Additionally, Moodle is flexible and it's scalable. So it's flexible in a sense that it's as simple or as complex as you need it. I mean, it's good for all kinds of institutes, schools, universities, businesses, you name it. So if you've got 100 users or you've got 10,000 users, Moodle will just scale up. It's just that capable. It can handle all kinds of numbers. So it's flexible in that sense, and it's also scalable. As your institute grows, so does Moodle grow with it. It's based on a MySQL database, so it can just handle it. It depends only, you limit it only to your hosting capabilities. Moodle, the best part about it is that it's open source, freely available, although hosting will cost you some money. And finally, Moodle has a very rich set of plugins. There's about 1,400 active plugins for everything from things like Turnitin for checking plagiarism, through reporting plugins, through integration with Google's G Suite or Microsoft's Office Suite, you name it. Moodle has some remarkable plugins that just basically extend all of its immense capabilities.